Hello guys, JL here from Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your P&L image history and get your profit card. So to do this is pretty simple. So here we're going to have to go to Binance to check our P&L history. So first you'll be in your home and head on to your wallets. So you can select from Earn, Futures, or Margin. So your P&L would appear right below your margin balance. So let's just hide that for now since we don't really have any balance. So to do this, just go to today's P&L and click on that. So here in today's P&L, you can select from Cross and Isolated to check your P&L for today. So here, you can also customize for your cumulative P&L, your daily P&L, and your cumulative P&L for the past few months. So you can select a 1 month range, 7-day range, or 3 month range, or you can even customize it from dates to time. So you can also do USDT or you can do BNB coin. So as you can see right here, this also applies here in futures, earn, and funding, if I'm not mistaken. But I don't think funding has it. Spot has it, I think. There you go. It's spot. As you can see, I have a few profits only here since I don't really use my Binance. So there you go, guys. That is how you check your P&L image history and get your profit card here in Binance. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.